Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile display setting. And today video title is guys how to use font style setting, how to change font style, how to set font style in iqoo mobile. One by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, now let's see how to use iqoo mobile display setting. Open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone display brightness setting. After display brightness friends, you can increase your phone brightness, you can decrease your brightness, you can on auto brightness mode setting, eyes protection mode, dark theme, screen time mode setting. Friends, you want to change screen color mode, so you can change screen color mode. Friends, click here phone to style setting. Select your font style, default style and classic. Friends, I have only one font style, classic font. I will select, and friends I will apply here for classic font. So friends, classic font will set and I can use new font style in my iqoo mobile. So like that friends, you can set and you can change font style in your iqoo mobile. Friends, open your phone search option and search here font style. Font style friends, click here. You can set new font style. You have downloaded fonts, so you can select, and you don't have, you can download from here. And friends, you want to default font style, so friends click here apply option. Friends, your default font style will set and you can use default font style in your iqoo mobile. So like that way you can set and you can change font style from your display brightness setting. And friends, if you click here, so you can change font size and display size, you can increase and you can decrease. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.